All right, Gemini, Sun and Rising. August brings a sense of finality and closure with the Ten of Swords as your tarot card theme. Now, it's interesting as the Ten of Swords is associated with the zodiac sign of Gemini, and the dates that correspond with the Ten of Swords are June 11th through June 20th. So these dates may have some significance for you. Now, this month, you might feel like you've hit rock bottom in certain areas of your life. The Ten of Swords is not exactly the most uplifting card, as it often indicates a rough time in your life, sometimes accompanied by or the result of a betrayal. As we see, the character in this card literally has been stabbed in the back multiple times. But don't you worry, Gemini, I am not going to leave you here. Believe it or not, there is a silver lining. The upside to this card is that it marks the end of a difficult cycle. So as we look closer, we see that the character in this card is making the blessing hand gesture. In my client readings, when this card comes out, I often tell them, thank goodness it's over. Gemini, this is your message from Spirit to let something go, whether it's an old grudge or painful memory, a toxic situation, person, or group, or something else that has reached the end of its cycle. The pain or challenges you have been facing have reached their peak or are close to it, and this month, it's time to shift your focus towards recovery and renewal. The tens in the tarot indicate endings and new beginnings. The card that comes after this one is the Ace of Swords, which is a divine, energetic vibration that stands for clarity, focus, and truth. So as the month progresses, Gemini, you'll begin to notice that things start to shift, even if it's just little by little. The Ten of Swords signals that the worst is over and the only way from here is up. This month is a period of wisdom and healing for you. And though it might be slow, progress is indicated. Every step counts. Again, this is one of the rougher cards in the tarot, so Gemini, take the time you need to rest and recuperate, both mentally and physically. If you are resonating with this reading, for the next few weeks, try to focus on more self-care than usual. Take care of yourself while you mend whatever this is for you. Quiet evenings at home, complemented with spending time with positive, supportive people, and time in nature is indicated for you. By the end of August, you will see the light at the end of the tunnel. As I mentioned before, the Ace of Swords is next in the progression, indicating that new opportunities that align with your new path and goals will begin to present themselves, and you'll feel a sense of relief as the heavy burdens of the past begin to lift. Astrologically, there are some very positive shifts that are going on at this time as well, which will further open up these energies, which you will feel. Now, remember, Gemini, that this card, though challenging, also represents resilience. So you may be down temporarily, but you are not out. The end is at hand, and know that you will be back up on your feet very soon. A fresh new start is on the horizon. Take the time you need to go through the appropriate process, whether this is healing, closure, or both. But also know that the combined energy of the Ten of Swords and the Ace of Swords is supporting you as you step into a new chapter of your life, wiser and stronger than before. So Gemini, this reading was a little bit heavy this month, but that's how it is when the Ten of Swords comes out. I hope you found these messages supportive and helpful. And if you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Gemini. Take care of yourself this month. You've got this.